Remember, searches can be combined or modified using your search history. Click the More Actions icon next to the search query you wish to modify. Select Add Query to copy the query to the query box. Make any required changes, for example, include any similar or alternative terms. Separate them using OR. Use the asterisk symbol to truncate any words, if needed. Use of an asterisk allows you to search for variations of a word without having to type them all into the search box. I will truncate the word cognitive to search for both cognitive and cognition, as I would like to capture papers that include either term in my search. Click on Add to History. In a similar way, continue to enter any other search concepts into the query box and modify them using truncation where required. Again, select Add to History. Once you have modified your searches, if you wish to combine them, simply use the More Actions icon next to each search as required to build the precise search you want. Looking at the search history table, notice the difference in the number of results between search number 5 and search number 8. Remember, when searching any database, the quality and number of results you get will depend on the keywords you choose to best describe the topic you are looking for. You may be interested to know that search numbers may also be used to combine searches from the history table. Simply type the search numbers into the query box, like this. Finally, the PubMed user guide on the right-hand side at the top of the page may prove useful. The search history feature requires your web browser to accept cookies.